Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to walk through how to earn money and finish the Crypto Miner Tycoon offer as efficiently as possible. To begin, let's clear up any confusion. Crypto Miner Tycoon is a different game from Bitcoin Miner. Although both are about crypto and mining, they play very differently. Crypto Miner Tycoon is a classic idle simulator. Your goal is to create a fully automated crypto mining empire where income keeps growing even when you're not actively playing. The game is built around core idle mechanics: buying miners, upgrading them, unlocking automation, and earning long-term boosts through resets called prestiges. Success in this game doesn't come from tapping quickly or playing non-stop. It comes from using strategy, making the right purchases at the right time, and knowing when to reset your progress to grow faster. Let's start at the very beginning of the game. When you first launch Crypto Miner Tycoon, you begin with a single, very basic miner. At this point, your income is almost non-existent. You'll need to tap the screen repeatedly to start generating your first bits of cryptocurrency. It's a slow process at first, but this is your foundation, and every great empire has to start somewhere. Use the small amount of income you earn from tapping to buy additional miners. As you buy more miners, your income per second increases. That means you'll earn money passively, even without tapping, though tapping still helps early on. Keep adding miners until your earnings become consistent. Now, once you've got a few miners running, don't forget to upgrade them. Each miner can be upgraded multiple times, which increases how much money it generates and how fast it operates. Buying new miners helps you expand, but upgrading them is what really speeds up your income stream. After a while, you'll notice a pattern. Progress starts slowly, then speeds up significantly as you expand and upgrade. But eventually, it slows down again. This is part of the idle game loop. At this point, your goal should be to reach milestones. One of the most important goals early in the game is to get 50 of each miner type. Every time you hit 50 of a specific miner, the game gives you a bonus multiplier. This bonus permanently increases that miner's efficiency. These multipliers can make a huge difference to your earnings, so always aim to hit that 50 miner threshold for each type as soon as you can. Once you've hit several 50 miner milestones, it's time to focus on something very important: automation. In idle games, automation is everything. It means your miners will keep working even when you're not tapping and even when the app is closed. Once unlocked, automation frees you from constantly managing your operation manually. This allows you to step back and let the system run while you focus on strategy, upgrades, and long-term growth. To unlock automation, you'll need to progress a little further and earn enough currency. Once it's enabled, the game truly begins to open up. You'll start to see income rising on its own, and this gives you the time and freedom to work on scaling your empire more efficiently. The key to fast progress is reinvestment. Don't hoard your earnings. Every time you accumulate a bit of income, spend it, either on buying new miners or upgrading existing ones. Idle games are designed to reward constant reinvestment. The faster you spend, the faster your income grows, and the sooner you unlock the next tier of upgrades. As your mining empire expands, you'll begin to see treasure chests appearing on the screen. These chests represent investors. Investors are essential for long-term growth. Every time you collect investors and choose to prestige, you reset your progress in exchange for a permanent income boost. This boost is tied to the number of investors you've collected. Prestiging resets your miner levels, your money, and your upgrades. But in return, you earn a powerful multiplier that increases all future income. It's basically like starting over with a huge head start. The more often you prestige, and the more investors you collect before doing it, the faster your progress will be each time. Here's a tip. Always watch the ad before claiming your investors. Doing so gives you a 25% bonus on your investor earnings. Over time, this bonus adds up significantly, and it's worth the few extra seconds it takes. Knowing when to prestige is important. If you notice your progress slowing down, maybe it takes longer to unlock the next miner, or your upgrades feel too expensive, it's probably time to reset. Prestige, take the investor bonus, and start over. You'll reach your previous level much faster than before. As you continue, you'll unlock purple Bitcoin tokens. These are used to purchase mega tokens, which are powerful items that boost the earnings of a specific type of miner. When using mega tokens, always apply them to your most expensive miners first. These miners provide the biggest returns, so boosting them will give you a larger overall income increase. After you've maxed out those, you can work your way down to the cheaper miners. This ensures your mega tokens give you the most value. Later on, you'll start earning gold tokens. These are a premium currency and you'll want to spend them wisely. The best use for gold tokens is to buy time warps. A time warp gives you an entire day's worth of income instantly. This is extremely helpful when progress slows down or you're waiting to unlock something expensive. Other items in the gold shop might look tempting, but time warps offer the best return on investment by far. As your empire grows, you'll gain access to managers. Managers are powerful tools. They automate specific tasks and offer unique bonuses. The first manager you should unlock is Colin Harvey. He reduces the cost of miners by 10%. That may not seem like much at first, but over time, this discount adds up and saves you massive amounts of currency. Once you've got Colin, your next goal is to unlock Ashley Nelson. Ashley allows you to instantly buy all upgrades and investors in bulk. This is a huge quality of life improvement, especially when you're managing multiple miners and looking to optimize quickly. Before hiring Ashley, try to collect around 1 trillion investors. That way, you can use her bulk purchase feature effectively and save yourself a lot of manual effort. Now let's talk about what to do when your progress slows down again. You have 2 good options. First, you can prestige again. As mentioned earlier, this resets your progress but gives you a larger permanent boost. Second, you can just let the game run in the background. Idle games are designed to keep working even when you're away. If you go offline for a few hours, or even overnight, you'll come back to a large amount of earnings. Just remember to watch the ad when you return to double your offline income. That extra bonus is always worth it. Keep repeating this cycle. Keep upgrading, keep reinvesting, keep prestiging when needed. Use your mega tokens wisely. Save your gold tokens for time warps. Always keep your miners and managers working efficiently. Eventually, you'll unlock the final manager, Jeremy Palmer. Hiring him completes the offer. Once you've hired him, you've reached the end of the game's main progression, and you'll be finished with the Crypto Miner Tycoon offer. If you follow this strategy, focusing on automation, smart upgrades, reinvestment, and timely prestiges, you can complete the entire offer in just a few hours. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your crypto empire.